Hello, good morning, students. Today is transcription number 284 on the speed of 100 words per minute. Start. Mr. Chairman, sir, I support the President's address and also the motion of thanks moved by Shri Gadgil. The members of the opposition are not present in the House, and it appears that some members of our own party are playing their role. It is good for the opposition to play their role, and it is also good to point out one's own shortcomings in the interest of the country. At the same time, I differ with some of the points referred to by my friends. With regard to matters concerning women, it is necessary to understand that immediate results cannot be expected of measures taken by the government. It is a long drawn process, and we would be able to achieve the results of those programs which have been formulated in due course. Respect of women varies from one family to the other. But I am sure that my honorable friend must be giving due respect to the women folk in his family. It is natural that everyone will have to change his attitude towards women in order to give respectable position to them in the society, and no government can reform the society within a few days. It is possible to change the psyche and morale of the people through launching effective programs. The programs being implemented by our government would bear results in due course. One honorable friend is quite senior and has been active in politics for the last 40 years. He is fully aware of what politics used to be in the British period. The Honorable President has also mentioned it in his address. The issue of terrorism in Bihar and Andhra Pradesh has been highlighted in it. It is absolutely true that the states of Bihar, Uttar Pradesh, Orissa, and West Bengal were badly affected by feudalism. Its main reason was that the British rulers entered the country through West Bengal, and the states of Bihar and Uttar Pradesh were badly affected by landlordism. Many changes have taken place in the last 40 years. It would be unfair to say that only Bihar is the center of terrorist activities. We are aware of the fact that feudalism had the maximum impact on the states of Bihar and Uttar Pradesh. But the programs implemented by our government in the last 40 years have checked this trend. We always forget that along with one's gradual development, one automatically develops negative thinking also.